happy day to you, wherever in the world this video finds you. It is an invitation to center and ground and to come to a greater state of relaxation. I invite you to place a hand on the heart and a hand on the stomach. If it feels comfortable and safe, close your eyes. Take a moment to check in with the body, observing what you feel from the tips of the toes to the fingertips and the head. Noting if there are any areas that appear out of balance. Take a moment to offer gratitude for being here now. With whoever it is will be present in your life at this moment in time. Then invite you to breathe deeply into the stomach, filling both of your lungs with air. And as you exhale, release any of the tension or stress that you identified earlier in your body. Continue to breathe, pulling the air into the stomach, filling each of the lungs, and then releasing. As you feel the areas of the body that you would like to clear energetically, releasing. If you would like to clear the mind as well, I invite you to inhale, and as you exhale, imagine any mindsets, thoughts, beliefs that you do not prefer exiting out of the body and out of the mind with each exhale. As you feel more centered and grounded, I invite you to bring the breath back to its normal pace and rhythm. And as you do so, with each exhale, exhale love, Exhale love for the self, love for your environment, the earth that supports you, the rocks, the trees, the soil, the plants, the animals. Exhale love for friends and family. And when you are ready, bring yourself back to full presence, wiggling your fingers and your toes, and making any movement, a stretch that the body feels called to do. Thank you for joining me in the Softening series, filmed live in nature where all sound is possible and probable. It was a pleasure to breathe with you today and to experience grounding, insight, and release. I hope that you have a wonderful evening, afternoon, or morning wherever this video finds you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I send you lots of love.